Hello guys, welcome back to the Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth technical analysis on Boeing, ticker BA. So, to get straight into it, we can see we are starting to get a bit of kind of consolidation as it has continued to push up, but definitely outperforming kind of a lot of other products, you know, near kind of break even from going back about a year, which is quite good compared to the overall market. So, what are we looking at and kind of what do we expect to happen? So obviously we did continue this move, and we can see we do have our first deviation on the 6 month at $214, and then we also have the second deviation at $216 on the 1 year. So what we've really seen happen with BA is we've hit that first deviation, we came back, we had our pullback as to be expected. Did one more move to the upside, touched our second deviation, and again we're kind of experiencing the same pullback. So what this is really showing is we expect at a minimum quite a large pullback now. And the reason for that is it kind of keeps trying to get there, which is showing that there is buying pressure, but they're just not strong enough to break. So what wouldn't be unlikely to see is kind of a pullback to around 190. And the reason we say 190 is it is our first deviation on the 1 year, but also our statistical mean on the 6 month. So this wouldn't be an unlikely thing to see. So again, this can provide a trading opportunity within itself. Something I'm looking at is just trading this short bias down to here, looking to capture on that. But if we come back down to that 190, it wouldn't be unlikely to see a continuation up. And the reason I say that is we never got that confirmation breakthrough. We broke through, but we never got that retest. And that's really what's going to kind of help us play direction, and it wouldn't be unlikely to see this gap get filled. So again, that would not only fill a gap fill, it would be our first deviation on the 1 year and our statistical mean. So kind of a lot of reasons for the stock to kind of start pulling back, and it's why I wouldn't be as long bias on it from a technical standpoint just off that. And instead I'd be waiting to either trade that pullback or maybe buying into that pullback if I'm more of a long bias trader. So I'll be looking to trade that, and then again, if we can come back or break through this level, then targets push up to around 238 to around 243, and this could be used as a zone. It's a bit of a wider one, but they are still quite close, so we could definitely be using those as a zone of resistance, and basically a final level taking us out to around $263. So again, these would be the main resistances. Just to note some supports, would be looking at around 165, pushing quite further down would be around 240 and 235. I mean, for the supports, that's kind of all we'll mention for now, because if it starts breaking down to here, we will be down at 52-week lows. There will probably be quite big moves in the stock, and it'll be something we want to be looking at over kind of more in the live market and start seeing what it's looking like kind of as it's happening. So if it starts pushing to the upside, or, you know, between the 190 and upwards, that would be more my trade plan. But if we start breaking to the downside again, we'll have a new video on it and kind of give it a fresh eyes on it once the kind of reversal starts. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on Boeing. If you did want to drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.